In this video, I'll show you how to search for a filter on Instagram. So it's very easy. Now tap on the Instagram app. After your app is open, now what do you want to do? Tap on plus to create any new post or Instagram. So what you're going to do is scroll sideways, and here you can select if you want to upload a story or reel. You can always switch between them by scrolling side. Now, to search for any filters, first of all, scroll sideways and keep on scrolling to see different effects play out. Now, after you run out of filters, there will be an search icon. Now, from here, you'll be able to search for any filters that you like. Now, tap on search. Now, as you can see, you're provided with a lot of options. You can always select anyone, and if you have your favorite, you can just type it here in the search bar, and you can always do that. Now, also you can find here trending and appearances, aesthetic looks if you want to try them, or you can also add games, humor, special effects, anything you like. So in this way, you can try out any filter. You can do the same process on Reel. It's the same, no worries, guys. And this is how you do it, guys. If you find this useful, then make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and also subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this.